4 years ago, a contractor quoted us $27,000 to build us a custom pergola for our deck, and we bought this kit off of Amazon for a few $1,000s and put it together ourselves. We've gotten hundreds of comments, people asking, how's it holding up? In this video, we're going to tell you all about it. Four years later, we're still really happy with our pergola purchase. The louvers work as designed. They still operate smoothly. And the gutter system that runs around the top doesn't leak water. We haven't gotten any water through the middle of the pergola. It still functions with these as columns as designed. We've had some crazy high windstorms, but we've never had the pergola blow over.
Standing underneath the pergola in a wicked windy storm. There's no leaking from the top. But of course, if you're gonna have rain that's coming sideways, yes, underneath the pergola will get wet in those situations. But for the actual louvers, it's not wet from leaking through the louvers. It's just the outside elements. Pretty windy. Look at this gust. Woo! But the pergola is still standing. Pergola ain't going anywhere. The other thing we like about it is we've added lighting to this pergola. We've hung a tight wire across the top of that so we could hang this pendant outside. We actually made a video about adding lighting to this pergola. Check it out here. You can easily customize it like this. So what are the downsides? Nothing is perfect. What we've noticed is if it snows, you should open up the louvers so that the snow comes through and doesn't add extra weight to the top of the pergola. Now that being said, there are a few times that we have not opened the louvers and snow has sat on top, anywhere from 3 to 5, 6 inches of snow. Now it didn't ruin it, it's still holding up. It's just something that you need to know. The other thing is, because it's not bolted down, it will shift from time to time, and I'm talking a few inches here and there. Every few months, we actually do shift the pergola a little bit to where we want it to be, but we chose not to bolt it down because we kind of like the deck the way it is, and we just redid our deck, and then we didn't want to put holes in our deck and then we have to redo it. So it's freestanding, but for where we are, it hasn't blown down. But again, check manufacturer recommendations.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. 4 years later, our pergola is alive and kicking and honestly looks pretty much brand new, so we recommend. Please make sure to like and subscribe and feel free to leave us a comment. Follow along, we're always taking on these crazy DIY projects, so we'll see you next time.